dad built houses, my mom painted pictures. They both gave it up once I came into the picture.
We're getting a 360 GoPro because we keep seeing these Instagram posts that look like you're playing real life Forza. All right, fellas, we got it. I'm pretty excited, but the only thing they didn't have is the thing to stick it off the back of the car. I feel like I should probably open it pretty respectfully. So there's a camera right here and here. Woo! Right, we got a BRZ driving at us right now. Stock at most.
It sounds like shit. It literally sounds like death.
Where'd he go? All right, so right now we're building a long pole so we can mount the 360 GoPro on there.
Santa!
Santa's pulling up. We might be yelling Santa. Someone's house is burning now.
I always love when this time comes.
It's a great day to be alive right here. Yeah!
Santa's here! Yeah! Oh, not the whip!
$500 camera on a $25 shower curtain rod. But please let us know how you actually do this shit. But this is gonna be so dope, and I'm just gonna be holding it out of the sunroof. We're gonna try to drive where there's light. This is the rig we got going. We're gonna pray to God that this holds. Alright, fellas.
Alright, brother.
Alright, buddy. We made it back home, calling it a night, going to bed. I got work tomorrow. Alright, so today's plan, I'm going to Travis's right now to meet with Mason, and then we're going down the road with Frankie to look at a 335. He did say in the last video he was going to get one. He's not capping. We might be coming home with a third 335 for the channel, which would be hilarious, but and the funniest part is it is a black 335, so we literally be at twinning. We'd be triplets, actually. Mason gave me the keys to his car, so I think I'm stealing it. And y'all can have it, I'll let you have it. Holy fuck!
You might have to come up an inch.
Alright, what we doing, man?
We're just putting it, we're gonna clean some things. Why are you so close?
He put gutter guards here. They look good. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what I did to mine, in case any of y'all didn't know. I think we should just keep bumpers off, because this shit looks good. So we're waiting on Frankie to pull up, and there's gonna be a third black 335. For everyone who asked how we did these fog light deletes, literally buy a normal gutter guard from like Lowe's or some shit, and then you cut it out like that, and then you drill a bunch of holes and use little black zip ties. Definitely looks a lot better than just some holes. Can't beat it for $4 at Lowe's. Hey, chill out. So we gotta meet this dude at 4 for Frank's 335. What you thinking?
You just caught me in a weird spot. Pretty fucking excited.
So we're gonna have 1, 2, scratch that, put Frank's 335 right there.
Fuck your mom.
Now we both have some gutter guards. Frank at the bank, getting the money for the beam, and we are stealing the Audi to go 5 Guys. Music or not, it's always on. Is he gonna notice? Oh no, he's not even.
Oh no, he's definitely not noticing.
I don't hate it at all.
Well, they're fucking handicapped. That's fucked.
There's Frank. We got caught.
What's up, buddy?
Ain't no way I just got carjacked. And I walked out and I was like, what the fuck is my car?
Well, we got you something.
Thank fucking Christ.
Sicker than I did all yesterday. Pockets heavier than they
We're here at the 335.
My God.
There it is.
Got a whole fucking hour late.
Yeah, a whole hour late, but whatever. They are back from the test drive. The only thing, the oil pan gasket, but they test drove it, so what was it like?
It was strong.
The
Felt like
interior's
an
fucking
M54. I mean,
sweet.
Carson's not a fan of the tan, but I like it.
I like
I like it though.
And it's got 83,000 miles on it?
Yeah.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's M54. She's gonna have some problems. I bet you off the lot, them bitches were leaking off the oil pan. Just tell them 12.2 because of the oil pan.
I appreciate that, bro. I know y'all are anxious to get me to get one, but Frank can't be getting fucked out here.
Did you hear me? You got fucking smart.
No 335 for Frank today.
She's fucking coming though. I'm a man of my fucking word. I just drove an hour and 45 minutes away in the worst fucking traffic I ever seen. I'm fucking bringing one to the channel, man.
Yep, so we had to walk away from her today. He was lying and shit. It was weird.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch.
There's this one homeless guy that's like a veteran that sits by McDonald's by us like all the time. I think it would be funny to get his reaction if we picked him up and like took him to get some food or something. I'm gonna give him some money. I always see him out here and I feel bad. Finally, I got the drone back. So if you all remember, a couple months ago, I crashed this bad boy into the ocean.
Your faces, worn out places.
We finally got it back. And you might be wondering what the hell this thing is in my hand. I got these like Rode Go mics. I don't really know how to use it yet. I have to get lavalier mics. The windows are closed and y'all motherfuckers still hear me. So I'm gonna be on my Danny Duncan shit, minus the beating friends. Look at this man. He just waved. He just gave me a thumbs up. We're gonna go ask if he wants to get picked up. I feel like he might not want to. Oh my God, he's coming over here. Film him. What's going on?
That one's mine.
Oh, that thing's sweet.
Keep up the good work.
I appreciate it. Have a good one. That was weird. But all right, we're gonna go ask if homie wants a ride. Would you like just go down the road real quick and get something to eat? It's up to you,
I
man.
got this guy, and I know he won't fit in your trunk.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Even though I got a chain on it, the last time I left it chained up, they were in the process of cutting my chain. Bolt cutters like this. Well, I was actually in the bathroom. I came out and I walked over. I said, because he was bent over like this,
Yeah?
facing this way. I didn't say anything at first, and he finally went clink. I said, excuse me, I don't think you want to do that because that is my bike. How do you know it's your bike? I said, yeah, it is my bike. You can either leave or you can go to the hospital.
Yeah.
He said, oh, you think you're a tough motherfucker, don't you? I said, sir, I said, I did 37 years, U.S. Army Medical Corps.
Right.
Top combatants instructor. I was taught to kill and maim and all that kind of shit.
Yeah. I mean, we can try to make it fit. It's up to you, though. If you don't want to do it, it's all good.
No, that's all right. Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. Well, good luck, man.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. All right, so he said he didn't want to because he was afraid someone was going to take his bike. So I might just say I'm going to give him money, and if somebody takes his bike, I'm going to buy him a new bike. He seemed like such a cool-ass dude. How about if somebody takes your bike, I'll get you a new one? Nah.
I put that one together from 4 different bicycles.
Okay, I got you. All right, man.
Thank
Take
you,
care. Yeah, of course.
Oh, yeah, take care. Pretty car, though.
Thank you. Yeah, I was about to buy him a brand new one. It could have been a $1,000 bike. I'll get you a goddamn bike, brother. All right, well, that sucks that it didn't work out. I mean, it is what it is. I understand it. You don't want to leave his bike and shit. So I got a photo shoot with somebody at 4 o'clock. So Frankie's pulling up, Mason's pulling up, and we're going to clean the cars because these things are filthy. I cleaned the wheels the other day just because they were terrible, but this car is filthy. We cleaned up the cars. Look who's back in the videos. He's fucking back. All right, so we pulling up on the first spot right now. So y'all will probably see me on the Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on fucking Instagram. Getting us right. Getting us tight. Shit. You think you can take pictures from my OnlyFans?
I already got you covered, bud.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so Colin and I are going on a fishing trip. So we got a kayak in the back of his truck.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees.
All right, you ready to go fishing?
Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stump road.
Oh yeah, like this side's gonna get him, bro. Is that a cop down there? That's a cop.
I'll clip it.
That was a balance state on the seat.
Walk to the truck, go. So we got to balance. Like we boat's fucking landing itself. The DNR pulled up on us. It was by like a state park, so we got kicked out. He said we can't do that on the public road. We're going to like a little school. We're gonna get one more pass of see if Colin will catch a fish this time.
I thought I was gonna die back there.
So how was your fishing experience?
I ain't catch shit.
Did it feel fast?
Yeah, I felt like 40. He threw me in the fucking rock.
I know. What's the bomb look like? Is it fucked?
Oh,
nah, she's good for the water.
Okay.
She's all right. All right, fellas, that's gonna do it for this video. It's at 8K, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Merch drop coming soon, sometime in mid-January, so look out for that. It's on the flip.
You and me go fishing in the dark.